Because
late already?
Really nice
Second day of school, she's late?
Bad.
What is this? What kind of kid are you raising?
Because you had to come all the way from the orchestra room?
Well, no, because my locker is like here in the school, here in the stairs, and it's like in
way
the corner.
Over there? Yes.
And then you have to go down the hallway, here we go, blah, 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 and then down the stairs, and then all the way to the very end of the building to get to yearbook.
Oh,
so
my
it's like
word.
all the way across the building.
Right.
And I was only a little bit late. I wasn't that much late.
You get better when you know the
but I was like in like 30 seconds, a minute late.
Right.
I wasn't that late, but I was kind of running to get there. So like I'm running, and the teacher and the kids in the class, it's all really quiet, and it's like far away from everybody else, so it's really quiet. So I was like running to get to the class, and then everybody could like hear my footsteps like running, and then I was like slowing down when I got into the classroom, and they were all looking at me and laughing and smiling.
No.
All the 8th graders, not really the 7th graders. And they're all smiling, and I was like, and then I sat down, and then he made us, the teacher, he made us stand up in front of everybody and like made us answer questions. So
You're a natural
what
at
did
that.
he ask for me?
That couldn't have phased you.
Yeah, but it was so awkward because all the 8th graders in it. And then so I stood up because he asked my question like in the middle, and he asked, what did he ask? He asked why like there were 6th graders and 7th graders, or 7th graders and 8th graders in the yearbook.
That's a hard question.
I know, and then I was like, well, maybe because there's like a different ranges of ages and different ideas and
This story isn't as good as the last
so
one.
I was like, okay, la 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 la, and then I sat down, and then so there's this guy Skylar who used to go to my elementary school.
Okay.
And he's a grade older. He's an 8th grader.
Skylar is a guy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Really? I think Skylar is more of a girl name, and then Skylar is a guy. His name is Skylar.
Skylar.
What? Why are you confused?
Okay,
go ahead.